The following message is transmitted at the request of the Lost Heaven Police Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. There's been reports that a lot of birds are attacking people in the streets of Lost Heaven. About 40 people are dead and 13 of them are injured from the birds. Police say some disease got into the birds that made them go crazy. So it's to be advised to follow these instructions. Stay indoors and lock all doors and windows. Don't make any noise that would attract the birds. Do not go outside. Block off all fireplaces. Do not make eye contact with the birds. Turn off all electrical devices that may attract the birds. If some birds get into your house, be sure to grab some weapons in case some birds try to attack you. Wait for official instructions until the situation is under control. The following message transmitted at the request of the United States government. Lost Heaven is seriously getting destroyed by those birds. More people are dying and seriously getting their eyes pecked out. And many of the streets of Lost Heaven are getting crowded. So be advised to follow these instructions. Stay indoors and do not go outside for any reason. Do not make any noise that would attract the birds. Lock all doors and windows. Block off all fireplaces. Turn off all electrical devices that may attract the birds. A nuclear siren will be sounded until the situation is under control.